Hi guys, so we are at the annual 2019 Goodyear Media Conference. This is their annual media briefing to share with us how uh, their latest product range. And oh, that's YS Kong. Hi YS.
Hi.
Hi
Hi.
guys, please like and subscribe to YS channel. Okay, what's your latest Genting run?
Tomorrow morning.
Okay, looking forward to that.
Okay.
All right, so here we have their displays here, their full range of tires. So right up there on the main screen there, you can see that they call this the year of the Eagle F1. So it is the Eagle F1 series that is the main focus here. But so the Eagle F1, these are Goodyear's performance range tires, okay, and of course there are many variations here to cater for the different performance segments. But let's come here and run through the bread and butter tires. So we start here with the Assurance Dura Plus 2 tires. So the history of the Goodyear Dura Plus tire, initially it was just called the Goodyear Dura Plus, and when the Dura Plus first came out, it was famous for Goodyear's claims that this is the tire that would last 100,000 kilometers. So this is the second evolution of it, and they've absorbed it into the Assurance family. So yeah, this is their entry level tire, built for maximum mileage, but of course don't expect much in the way of grip. Okay, and as you can see, it has what Goodyear calls tread life technology, and tread wear rating is 380. Traction, not so sure about that. Okay, so this tire, of course, naturally is very appealing for those of you who are running on a budget. Okay, you want a range of tires that would last and last and last. So particularly those of you shopping for tires for workhorses, I'm referring to the likes of taxi drivers, Grab drivers. This is fantastic. This is what you really want. And then here we have the Assurance Triple Max 2. This is something that caters for the needs of the B segment to C segment cars, the Honda Cities, the Toyota Vios, maybe up to even the Corolla Altis, that kind of range, right? So it's a comfort-based tire. It's a comfort-biased tire. But maybe with a bit better grip than the Dura Plus, but not as hard wearing. Yes, so and also a bit more comfort bias. So you get a softer compound to give you a nicer, smoother ride. Then here you have the efficient grip performance. This is once again, this is also a comfort bias tire, but this caters to the upper end of the C segment and going up to the D segment cars. You know, the likes of the Accord and the Camry. Now here we have this is the Eagle F1 family. So right here, this is a stand-in. This is what they're telling us here is that there is going to be a new tire coming soon next year to replace the aging Eagle F1 Directional 5. So Goodyear's previous offering in this segment, okay, which competed against the PS3, Michelin PS3, Michelin PS4, was the Directional 5. It was here. That tire has been around for at least about 7 to 8 years. I remember using the old Directional 5 in my Wajah once upon a time before I switched to PS3s. Now this new Eagle F1 member is coming in to replace the Directional 5 tire next year. Right here we have, this is the Eagle F1 Super Sport RS, and you can see this is a semi-slick tire. This is practically a tire for track use. Okay, so yep, fantastic grip in the dry, but don't bring this out in the wet. Yeah. Okay, so this is the Eagle F1 Super Sport. Once again, this is a high performance tire, ultra high performance tire. This one is meant for street use. This is really built for street use. Asymmetric pattern here. Okay, very wide size, very high, very aggressive looking tread pattern as well. Here, this is the Eagle F1 Super Sport R. So it's the tread pattern. If you compare it with the Super Sport RS there, it's got a bit more grooves, but still you can see this is also a very this is closer in construction and pattern to semi-slick tires as opposed to a full-on road tire as the Super Sport there. Okay, so once again, if you're driving one of these, fantastic day dry grip, but be careful in the wet. And you have here, this is the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 5. This is for everyday sports performance. This would go great with most of the current with cars like the Volkswagen Golf GTI, maybe a BMW 330i, Mercedes C300, that kind of range, the 250 upwards horsepower range. Okay, this is aimed at that kind of performance bracket. Now over here we have the SUV tires. Okay, the asymmetric SUV, efficient grip performance SUV. So these tires here, these are for all your road going SUVs. Okay, depending on your use, it ranges from it will fit anything ranging from your HRV all the way up to the Porsche Macans, the Porsche Cayenne, depending on which side. So efficient grip performance SUV, this would be the more comfort bias tires, whereas the asymmetric SUV, will be for the upper range, higher performance stuff. Now you come over here, the Wrangler range. These are the off-road tires. These are for your pickup trucks, your 4x4s, your off-road SUVs, your leather frame SUVs. Okay, so that's the Silent Track and the Dura Track. This Dura Track especially, this looks like a real proper badass tire. Okay, meant to tackle really severe terrain. Right? This Wrangler Silent Track also, this is also a very rugged looking tire. Okay, Goodyear calls this an all-terrain tire, but I wouldn't be surprised that this is a tire that you can take on really severe off-road usage. Alright, so here you have it, guys. This is the current range of tires available from Goodyear in Malaysia. So yeah, this is something to watch out for in the coming months, and something interesting to share. Okay, a few years back, right? I think when I was working in one of my previous publications, I can't remember Ottawa or Carlis, I remember receiving a press release from Goodyear telling us about this Goodyear WorryFree assurance program. What is this? Basically, it is a program that gives you a 1-for-1 exchange of a brand new tire if in the first 6 months of ownership, right, you buy a brand new Goodyear tire, within the first 6 months of ownership, you puncture your tire, you hit a curb, you koyak your sidewall, whatever. Okay, as long as it's a natural, determined to be a naturally damage caused by natural usage, the Goodyear will change 1-for-1 a new tire for you. Okay, yeah. So, but of course, it requires you to purchase a minimum of 2 tires, and you need to register for the program online. So yeah, any of you guys, if you are buying a brand new Goodyear tire, okay, be sure to ask your dealer about the WorryFree assurance program. Okay, it is something that you don't have to pay extra money for, and yeah, since you are already buying the tire anyway, why not have that protection? Because yeah, you do not know when your tires were gonna damage. Imagine you buy a set of new tires to put in your car, within 3 months, kena paku, or you know, you hit a pothole, crack your sidewall, or crack or rip the tire apart, then you don't have to suddenly fork out money to buy another tire. You get a brand new replacement tire, FOC. Of course, subject to terms and conditions lah. That if it's determined that, and these guys who do the claims, they are very good. They check that the damage is due to unnatural wear, unnatural use. Then of course your claims will be rejected lah. Okay, so here you have it. Okay, yep, the new range. The current range of tires from Goodyear in Malaysia.